What's up, Premium Fam? Welcome back to my channel. It is my favorite day of the, well, actually it's not my favorite day of the month. It's kind of my favorite day of the month. As I'm filming this, it is 2:22 in the afternoon on a Wednesday, and I live in the South, and that may not mean anything to you guys. However, today we have a hurricane coming in. No big deal. So it's supposed to be a category 2 when it hits. Anxious is not the word. I always get nervous for really bad weather. Actually, I mean, it was just thundering and lightning and raining last night and I was nervous, so this should be real fun. But today, think by the graces of the Disney gods, thank God this thing came in today. So, I was not supposed to open this today. I had other plans for this box. I actually bought 2 boxes this month. One box was for me, and then one box is for my sister, whom you should know now, Katie. She had her birthday this month on the 3rd, and so I bought her a box for her birthday. Well, my box is in today and hers is not yet. Hers will be in probably like Friday. But I figure instead of us both opening our boxes on one video, I'm gonna spread this thing out, give her her own episode of my channel, and then give you guys a double dosing once a week, basically, of mystery boxes. So I'm kind of excited about that. I went ahead and decided that I'd go ahead and open mine today and probably get this uploaded later today or maybe tomorrow. So today is the 28th if you're seeing this today, yay. But I'm pretty excited to upload this. So very quickly, I'm not going to take too long talking to you guys about the box because I'm sure you've seen my last couple of ones. But basically, Bibbidi is a subscription box that is based out of Georgia. It's a family of women and a husband or so that is based around Disney. They also have other subscription boxes as well, but I get the Disney one because I am Disney obsessed. If you couldn't tell by my shirt, I am in love with my new shirt, but I bought this at the Disney store. So they are based around Disney and all things Disney. They have different tiers for their boxes, different price points, and all of them are, almost all of them are customizable. So they go by your preferences, what movies you like, what movies you don't like, what characters you like, if you like the rides, if you don't like Disney park items, but you just like, you know, Disney licensed products that are based around the movies, different things like that. So they take everything into account. Everything is completely custom packaged for you. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Look at how perfect this box is. It is their Halloween box design. There are a bunch of different little cute icons on here. We have Mickey and Minnie treats and Halloween items, and we have Boo and Mickey as a ghost, and it's just the cutest little thing, y'all. So let's open this bad boy up. All right, so I have a note on top. Actually, they accidentally put 2, but that's fine. They're both the same. And this is something that I chose in my preferences. So it says, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of a lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager account. So I have a Bibbidi card. This one just says boo on it. It's precious. And it says, got a sec, share a photo or video on Instagram and mention/tag us at Bibbidi ____. And my box was curated by Amanda. So this is the first box that Amanda has curated for me. Thank you so much, Amanda. I'm super excited. This should be, I'm just gonna slip that down a little bit. It should be my, it should be an imagination box, which is a $99 subscription box. So let's see what's in here. I'm not gonna look at the packing slip. I didn't see anything on it. I'm pretty freaking excited right now. But I did let them know as well that I am going to the parks in January, so I would like a few items that would go toward the trip. So like magic bands, Loungefly bags, different things such as ears. I'm looking to get my ear count up a little bit before the trip. So hopefully, you know, they took that into account. If not, I know I'm gonna love it anyway. But let's, oh my gosh. Let's see what all I have in here. I already see one item. I'm pretty sure there's only 2 things in here, but I'm so excited to show you guys. So, my first item is actually an item that I've been dying for. This is a magic band. It is a limited release magic band. Oh, why are you? I'm gonna cover my face real quick. Hopefully it shows you. But it is so cute. It's got Mickey and the castle, and it is royal blue, which is a color I absolutely adore. And then you have, I think that's Haunted Mansion. Yeah, you have Haunted Mansion, Big Thunder Mountain. So it's a Magic Kingdom magic band. Oh my gosh. It's got Dumbo on it and Peter Pan and Space Mountain, and we also have Pirates on there too. I am so excited. I can't wait to load this onto my account. Oh my gosh. And I want to say last but not least, but of course there might be other items. I'm not sure, but this item is an item that I have been absolutely dying for. Oh my god. This is my first Loungefly backpack. My ultimate grail Loungefly backpack. I can't believe I'm not crying right now, but it is the 3 Caballeros Loungefly backpack. My sister is going to cry. So what we have here is the 3 Caballeros on the front. So we have Donald, Jose, Carioca, and Panchito. And then the side has your Loungefly badge on there in pink, and it is like a metal. And then you also have a hot pink back and side pockets, and then the top is red. Also, something different about this Loungefly bag, other than the other Loungefly bags that you normally see, is that there are each Caballero is a different pocket, so you can fit little things in here. Oh my gosh, the inside is so cute. Let me show you how freaking cute the inside pouch is. So you have all the little icons. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely precious. Huh. And then of course you have the big one right here. And it's got all of the little icons in there. I am absolutely stunned right now. That's why I'm not talking much, because I am floored. Amanda, you have outdone yourself. I am so excited. That was the only 2 items in my bag, but like I said, Those are obviously high ticket items. This is a limited release. Also, there is a little pink sticker on the back. I forgot to show you guys this. This means that it is a park exclusive item. So yeah, it says park/resort exclusive. So you know what you're getting, what you pay for, and then some. Something that I never remember to do, but I'm totally gonna do today, is I'm gonna explain to you my packing slip. So this is my imagination box. It says, this box was lovingly curated by Amanda, $0. Loungefly 3 Caballeros mini backpack, $80. And Disney Parks exclusive limited release Magic Band Park Life, I guess that's the title of it, is $29.99, giving me a total value on my box of $109.99. So I paid $99, not including tax and shipping, but I mean, that's not expected to include, you know, tax and shipping. Everybody has to pay taxes for everything. So that is over my value of what I paid for it, and I am so happy about it. So I can't wait to show you guys this video, and I cannot wait to use this backpack in the parks. So thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to video Katie's box on Sunday, and get that to you guys as well so you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this video. The like is on this side, thumbs up, and then hit the little subscribe button. That lets me know that you like what you see, and I really appreciate that. We are, I believe, 125 subscribers strong right now, so I am on the road to 200 subscribers. I cannot believe I have 125 already, to be honest with you. But also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Once Upon a Freeman, and I'll put it right down here as well. And follow me on there. There's a lot of content on there that I post that I do not post here. And comment what your favorite item is that I got, and how you guys are doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. See you next time.